Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start today's video, we have something very important to announce to you guys. We are partnering with Filipino Visa. Founded in 2014, Filipino Visa assists men and women who have found international romance who seek the highest level of support in filing their visa petitions to bring that special someone to the United States. Filipino Visa provides professional evaluations, ongoing email and customer support, and assists with all aspects of the visa petitioning from start to finish to ensure a no-hassle process. If you don't have the time or confidence to do the paperwork, you may be eligible for a no-obligation consultation to discuss your situation with one of their agents. Filipino and English-speaking consultants are ready to help you analyze and apply for the type of visa you actually need. We are also partnering with a dating site called Christian Filipina. For some reason, if you happen to stumble in our channel and you are looking for a partner, or maybe you know someone that's looking for a partner, I think I know a place for you. Jen and I started this channel so we can share our experience with the K1-Visa application. And through that, we thought that maybe we could help others. We have always advocated for a DIY K1-Visa application. I've said that although this is a long and tedious process, you can do all of this yourself as long as you work hard and do your own research. Nothing has changed with that sentiment. I still believe in you. But we also understand people's limitations. Not everyone is comfortable with filling up their own forms, and they may need a little bit more personalized help. Our channel can only do so much, and this is where Filipino Visa comes into play. If you and your partner are struggling and you feel like you need a one-on-one help in regards with your visa application, after watching this video, you may go ahead and click the link in the descriptions down below. So yeah, back to the video.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is John Leona and my fiancé is Philip Ong. And for this video, I'm so excited to share to you guys my own experience at St. Luke's Medical Clinic in Ermita, Manila last January 29, 2024. So aside for my experience, I will also share some tips, guides, and what to expect when you take your medical at St. Luke's. So my medical was last January 29, 2024, and I arrived at 5:50 in the morning, but my appointment schedule was 7 o'clock in the morning. But you don't need to worry because the guard will let you in. And it's better to be early, at least 2 hours or 1 hour before your appointment, because there is so much people who wants to get a medical inside. So it's better to be early. While falling in line, you need to prepare some documents that the guard will ask you or check. These documents are, first is St. Luke's confirmation page, the page with the barcode. Second is your passport. The guard will ask that document, and after he check your document or the confirmation page, he will give you a pink paper with a number, and he will stamp your left hand with letter A. After they check it for you, the guard will ask you to go straight at the back of the building and turn right. So if you can see that there's a staircase or hagdan, you go inside. That's the landmark. So if you are already inside of the building, the first step is the photo room. You don't need to worry because there's a sign of photo room. And prepare your documents and you will hand it over to St. Luke's staffs. These documents are your original passport, your payment receipt, security bank, St. Luke's confirmation page with a barcode, 2x2 ID picture, 2 pieces, K1 FTP, and last is DS-160. So after they check it, they will tell you just to wait until your name to be called in front of the photo room. So at photo room, the medical staff will ask your full name, your birth date, and they will just take your pictures. And after that, you will go outside again, hand the documents again to the medical staff outside of the photo room. They will check it and arrange it for you. They will provide the ziploc for your 2x2 ID pictures, and also make sure that your ears are showing visible at your 2x2 ID pictures, because if not, again, you need to take another 2x2 ID pictures. So after photo taking, the staff will guide you where to sit and where to line again. You need to wait until your number will be called. And I was assigned at window M, and there are questions that are asked for me. So these questions are: first, your full name; second, your birth date; third, if you traveled abroad for the last 6 months; fourth, pregnant or PWD or persons with disability; fifth is if I have any sibling or twin sibling; sixth is if I have any family members who have medical problems or issues; seven is if I have previous examination at St. Luke's; 8 is what is your civil status. Of course, for K1 is single. Also, she asked for my fiance's name, my fiancé address, and his phone number. After those questions, she asked for my passport, original copy of my vaccine, and vaccine card. Also, just a reminder, please check your vaccine card if there is a medical staff or a doctor who signed your vaccine card. If you have already made a payment beforehand, just like me, the staff will issue you the St. Luke's official receipt. And if you are not paid yet, you need to proceed or go to the 5th floor for the payment section and pay 18,540 pesos. So after those payments, the staff will ask your right 4 fingers for scanning. The staff told me to proceed to the 3rd floor for my x-ray. Step 2, x-ray, 3rd floor. You need to go first to the x-ray receiving area, US window. Hand your papers to the staff or nurse, and they will ask for your passport, and they will give you a paper. You need to answer the tuberculosis worksheet, and there is a yes or no questions. And if your name will be called, you need to proceed to the small room for the x-ray. There is an instruction: just remove your shirt and also your bra. Just leave your underwear and your pants on. And just a tip, when you are already inside of the laboratory with the doctor, when you are going to take the x-ray, meron dong machine kung saan mo gagawin yung x-ray. You need to idikit mo yung chest mo sa machine. Wag naman yung masyadong dikit, pero idikit mo, and you need to inhale as much as possible if the doctor will say you so that you can have a clear vision of your lungs or your x-ray. Okay, so after x-ray, the staff will tell you to go to the 4th floor for the blood taking. Step 3 for blood taking at 4th floor. Give your papers and your passports again to the medical staff at the receiving area. So after your name will be called, you need to proceed to the phlebotomy area. The nurses are nice and approachable. They make sure that you are comfortable, and you need to relax when they take your blood. 4th step, vital sign and physical exam at 5th floor. For vital sign, the nurse asked me to remove my footwear for height and weight determination. The next nurse, which is for BP and your pulse rate taken. Next room for the eye test. So the nurse asked me if I have any contact lens, any procedure or surgery for my eyes. And just a reminder again, what I do is I just put my left hand, not madiin, because it will blur my vision. So once finished, hand over your documents to the triage receiving area and wait for your name to be called so that they can assign for your specific doctor for your physical examination. So I was assigned at the room 60 with a female doctor. So the doctor asked me questions, yes or no questions, based on my immunization checklist. She asked me if I have any prior medical issues, surgeries, treatment, or maintenance being currently taken. You need to be honest about your medical history, just in case, because you will get your immunization, guys. The doctor asked me to lay down at the bed to begin with the physical exam. And take note, the doctor just asked me to remove my shirt and also my pants. Just leave your underwears. So after physical examination, I was told to go back to the triage reception area for the checkout. And the staff hand me the official white receipt and my passport. The receipt states that I should go back in the next day at 9 in the morning for day 2 of my medical. And guys, take note that your passport was already returned to you. Okay? My second day immunization. So my schedule was 9 in the morning, so I arrived exactly as 9. I went straight to the guard to ask, and I told him it's for my second day immunization. He checked his computer in which floor I am. I'm so nervous that time. I'm really praying that please make it to the second floor, not fourth floor, because the second floor we proceeded for the immunization, but fourth floor is for sputum. After he checked, he smiled, "Ma'am, you will proceed to the second floor." Yeah! I'm so happy that time, because after months of your overthinking, you are going to proceed to the immunization. Thanks God. So at second floor, I gave my papers to the nurse or medical staff at the reception area. And I waited for more than an hour until my name called. I proceeded to the immunization room. So the doctor asked me a few things, if I have any allergies, any medications that being taken, and if I am willing to take the 4 vaccines. Of course, I said yes. I got vaccinated right arm, 2 vaccines, and my left arm, 2 vaccines also. Total of 4 vaccines that day. So after I got my 4 vaccines at the second floor, the staff told me to proceed to the first floor for the releasing area. I waited for more than 1 hour until my name was called. The staff gave me my immunization record, CD for x-ray, and lastly the medical result, which is the brown envelope. Yay! So that's it, guys. That's my experience at St. Luke's Medical Clinic last January 29, 2024. So I don't have any routines or medicines to take, but I suggest to drink more water, stay hydrated and less fatty, and eat more healthy like fruits and vegetables before taking your medical. So if you have any inquiries or questions, you can definitely comment below so that we can answer your questions. Definitely, guys. So yes, thank you for watching.